Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. G20 Summit casts spotlight on Bali's tourism revival. Local businesses thrive as Kashmir records highest number of tourists since 1947. Kerala Tourism won Responsible Tourism Global Award at the World Travel Mart. Ticket rates surged in Bengaluru Kerala route ahead of Christmas, misery for travellers. Rajasthan, Udaipur Ahmedabad train track restored a day after explosion. Indigo enhances domestic connectivity, introduces direct flights between Ahmedabad and Amritsar. Over 100-year-old tunnel below the Niagara Falls just opened up to the public. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.